Now I'm talking about dengue fever. Like yellow fever, dengue fever is caused by an RNA virion of Flaviridae that multiplies in WBC cell and platelets. Dengue fever, also known as breakbone fever, is an infectious tropical disease caused by dengue virus. Dengue fever virus, flavivirus, is a RNA virus of the family Flaviridae. The virus possesses an apparently icosahedral symmetry with envelope. There are four strains of the virus which are called serotypes, and they are referred to as DENV1, DENV2, DENV3, and DENV4. All four serotypes can cause the full spectrum of the disease. Infection with the one serotype produces lifelong immunity to that serotype but only short term protection against the other. Now I'm talking about transmission. Dengue virus is primarily transmitted by Aedes mosquito, particularly Aedes aegypti. They bite primarily during the day. Humans are the primary host of the virus. An infection can be acquired via a single bite. A female mosquito that takes a blood meal from a person infected with dengue fever become itself infected with the virus in the cell lining its gut. About 8 to 10 days later, the virus is spread to other tissue, including the mosquito's salivary glands, and is subsequently released into its saliva. Dengue can also be transmitted via infected blood products and through organ donation. When a mosquito carrying dengue virus bites a person, the virus enters the skin together with the mosquito's saliva. It binds to and enter the white blood cells and reproduce inside the cell while they move throughout the body. The white blood cell respond by producing a number of signaling proteins such as interferon, which are responsible for many of the symptoms such as fever, the flu-like symptom, and the severe pain. In severe infection, the virus production inside the body is greatly increased and many more organs such as liver and bone marrow can be affected. And fluid from the blood stream leaks through the wall of a small blood vessel into the body cavity. तो डेंगू वायरस जो है वो ट्रांसमिट होता है एडीज मॉस्किटो से, मेनली एडीज इजिप्टी से, और ये दिन के समय काटता है. ह्यूमन इसका प्राइमरी होस्ट है वायरस का, और एक बार सिंगल बाइट से ही, एक बार काटने से ही ये हो जाता है. फीमेल मॉस्किटो इस ब्लड को मील के रूप में लेती है इन्फेक्टेड पर्सन से, और उसकी अंदर भी ये वायरस जो है वो ग्रो करता है. 8-10 दिन बाद वायरस जो है उसके टिश्यू में और मॉस्किटो के सलाइवा में आ जाता है, सैलिवरी ग्लैंड में, और उसके सलाइवा से रिलीज़ किया जा सकता है. इसके अलावा ऑर्गन डोनेशन से भी डेंगू हो सकता है. जब एक मॉस्किटो जिसे डेंगू वायरस है जिसके अंदर, वो एक पर्सन को काटती है तो वायरस जो है वो उसकी स्किन से मॉस्किटो के सलाइवा के थ्रू इसकी स्किन में एंटर कर जाता है और WBC के साथ बाइंड करता है, और फिर ये पूरी बॉडी में फैल जाता है. वाइट ब्लड सेल जो है वो एक नंबर ऑफ सिग्नलिंग प्रोटीन बनाती हैं, उसे हम इंटरफेरॉन कहते हैं, जो कि उस काफ़ी सिम्टम्स दिखाता है बॉडी में, जैसे फीवर और फ्लू लाइक सिम्टम्स होते हैं और पेन भी होता है. और ज़्यादा अगर इन्फेक्शन हो जाए तो वायरस का प्रोडक्शन हमारी बॉडी में बहुत तेज़ी से होने लगता है और बहुत सारे ऑर्गन जैसे लिवर एंड बोन मैरो में भी इफ़ेक्ट पड़ता है. और ये जो वायरस है फ्लूइड फॉर्म में ब्लड स्ट्रीम में लीक कर जाता है और स्मॉल ब्लड वेसल्स में बॉडी कैविटीज़ में फैल जाता है. नाउ आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट सिम्टम्स. The symptom of dengue fever includes high fever, headache, pain behind eye, muscle and joint pain, loss of appetite, measles-like rashes over chest and upper limbs, nausea and vomiting. Patient often report sensation that their globally the dengue fever virus patient often respond sensation that their bone are breaking, hence the name break bone fever. In 2003, globally the dengue fever virus infected about 50 million people and killed 12,000. Dengue can be prevented through elimination of mosquito breeding place. The characteristic symptoms of dengue are sudden onset of fever, headache, typically located behind the eye, muscle and joint pains and rashes. The alternate name for dengue breakbone fever comes from the associated muscles and joint pains. The febrile phase involves high fever, often over 104 degree Fahrenheit, associated with generalized pain and headache. This usually lasts 2 to 7 days. At this stage, a rash occurs. It occurs in the first or second day of symptoms as flused skin, or later in the course of illness, day 4 to 7, as a measles-like rashes. In some people, the disease produced a critical phase which follow the resolution of the high fever and typically last 1 to 2 days. During this phase, there may be significant fluid accumulation in the chest and abdominal cavity due to increased capillary permeability and leakage. This leads to depletion of fluid from the circulation, decreased blood supply to vital organs. During the phase, organ and dysfunction and severe bleeding, typically from gastrointestinal tract, may occur. Shock, dengue shock syndrome and hemorrhage, dengue hemorrhage fever may occur. The recovery phase occurs next with resorption of the leaked fluid into the bloodstream. This usually lasts 2 to 3 days. The improvement is often striking, but there may be severe itching and a slow heart rate. During this stage, a fluid overload state may occur. If it affects the brain, it may cause a reduced level of consciousness. Now I'm talking about treatment and prevention of dengue fever. There are no specific treatment for dengue fever. As there is no vaccine, prevention is sought by reducing the habitat and the number of mosquitoes and limiting exposure to bites. Treatment of acute dengue is supportive, using ethical oral or intravenous rehydration for mild or moderate disease and intravenous fluid and blood transfusion for more severe cases. Paracetamol is given for fever and discomfort. Now I'm talking about dengue fever. Like yellow fever, dengue fever is caused by an RNA virion of flavin